Hey, this is Matt Hultquist of the QuickBooks University. I wanted to talk about bounce checks, the dreaded bounce check. We all hate it in business when, you've done work for a customer or a client. They pay you the invoice and their check bounces. One of the most frustrating things because it just takes up time. The bank charges you fees and you've got to collect that money again. What a pain. All right, but we have to record that in QuickBooks, and so how do we do that? That's what I want to show you in this video. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your customer center. So click on this here, go over to your customer center, and let's just pick somebody. Okay, so in this sample file, this music shop, we did a remodel job, and this payment was made right here. So you're going to choose that payment and double click it. Okay. So you're going to see a button up here that says record bounced check. All right. So it brings up a screen and you want to say what, the bank charged you a fee. What did the bank charge you for this bounced check? Let's say it was $25. It should default to bank service charges. If you use class tracking, you're going to put in a class. And then down here you specify, okay, how much do you want to charge this customer? Well, you can charge them $25, you can charge them nothing, or you can mark it up. Okay, in my case here, I'm going to say we're going to charge the customer $35. All right, so hit next. It tells you what QuickBooks is going to do. It's going to show that this invoice is unpaid now, so it's going to put it back into your accounts receivable and as an invoice owed to you. The service fee of $25 is going to be deducted from your bank account, and it's going to create an invoice for $35. All right. So we hit finish, and we see it puts a nice big red bounce check next to this customer payment. And it's going to show it down here that this invoice is still outstanding. Okay. And a $35 check is owed. All right, so if we want to uncheck this, and we can even say that the payment amount there, we're going to leave that as is. Okay, hit save and close, and we will still have that outstanding. Okay, simple as that. It's frustrating, it's a pain, but we have to be able to record this in QuickBooks, and hope you learned something in this. We'd love to have you join us over at the QuickBooks University, where we've got, over 38 detailed videos on how to use QuickBooks, definitely in the real world, because there's a lot of stuff that happens, and we try to put a perspective on it from being a business owner and being in business and working with a lot of different clients. So we've got a couple of free videos over there that are going to show you some things that you probably don't know. So join us over there, and hope you learned something.